Primary surgical repair of a torn flexor tendon results in better functional outcomes compared to secondary repair or
Surgeons
tendon
use
graft
various
surgery.
core suture techniques such as the four-strand modified Kessler or the six-strand double loop technique, which can be paired with a peripheral running
To expose
suture.
the tendon ends, surgeons can partially vent the A2 pulley with an incision no longer than 2 centimeters.
To withstand the demands of early active motion, the biomechanical strength of the suture technique is critical. Cyclic testing.
When primary repair is impossible due to a tendon substance defect, surgeons can utilize a turnover lengthening of the flexor pollicis longus tendon, where the tendon has retracted. A step-cut lengthening technique can be performed.
In severe cases requiring a two-stage Zone 2 flexor tendon reconstruction, especially in resource-limited environments,
ultrasound imaging is a critical diagnostic tool used to assess healing without the need for invasive exploratory surgery.
an innovative approach known as the fine wire technique utilizes a thin wire to swiftly and safely release. Combining these early therapeutic exercises with low-level laser therapy has been shown to significantly increase the total